Chinese elm forest. It's a little sparse on the top, but what you see here is an interaction in the trunks. Just kind of a playfulness. Again, this is maybe sitting up a little high. The moss is on the inside, which is fine, but the black here is too powerful because you almost see more blue in that with the pot. It kind of takes away from it. I want to see the fun and wittiness and the age in those trunks. What I put with this one, and we need to get our marker pen out. Marker pens are wonderful. You can do anything you want with them if they're in your pocket. So, if you've got, we have our feet on stands, and we want to make sure that they are not scratched up because they're used by so many different people. So this one needs a little more along the top edge. So we make sure that the part that's showing is colored so it matches the stand or matches the foot or something, so it blends in and it's not shown. So that's a little better, but not perfect. Now what I would really do with this pot, before we go to the next section, the foot that's on here, you do have a nice little brown part. This is where I use stains a lot. You could use a really warm brown or reddish or even the ebony, the black stain on those feet and make them go away. So if you have a real light colored clay, some of the potters use that, they have these beautiful feelings on the top, and then you get these white looking feet or light gray or really bright tan. It takes away from it. On your shelf at home, on a wooden shelf, it blends in. You put it on a dark stand and it's like, whoa. You see the feet and you see that more than anything else. So I could also use my pen on it, but I won't. So I put this little piece with it. It looks like a little, to me it's a little dragon or a poodle dog or something yipping or whatever. But what that does, this color in here brings out the one thing I want to see in this. And that's the playfulness in the branches. I want to see those trunks and a little bit of a branch. So that tends to make you see that so you don't see the other parts. So it's kind of like, I'm going to pull out what I like to see, and that allows everybody else to see what I enjoy. If we take this away and we put this one over there, what do you see? The tops.
You're right.
Okay? So when you try to put something together, think about what you really enjoy, what you want the public to see, what's important, what makes this tree wonderful. Just work it. Show it off. Show off what you want. Now, this may be a little too big of it's missing its little pitcher dipper. Somebody was playing with it. Let's move on. Okay, this group